How India can reduce its trade deficit with China. India-China trade explained. India's trade deficit with China has crossed billions of dollars, raising big economic concerns. But can India reduce this imbalance? In this video, we explain why the deficit exists, how India can boost exports, reduce import dependency, and settle the gap through smart strategies. From manufacturing reforms to export diversification, here's the full picture. India's biggest trading partner is China. But here's the catch: India imports much more than it exports. This creates a massive trade deficit. Can India fix this imbalance? Let's find out. Why deficit exists. India imports electronics, machinery, chemicals, and pharma ingredients from China. But what do we export? Mostly raw materials like cotton, ores, and some chemicals. Result: imports are high value, exports are low value. Deficit keeps rising. 1. Boost domestic manufacturing. Build India's own electronic, semiconductor, and pharma IP industries under the PLI scheme. 2. Diversify imports. Buy more from Vietnam, South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan instead of relying only on China. 3. Increase exports to China. Push Indian pharmaceuticals, textiles, and agro products into Chinese markets. 4. Value addition. Instead of raw cotton or ore, export finished textiles and steel products. 5. Strategic policies. Impose anti-dumping duties on cheap Chinese goods, enforce strict quality standards. 6. Global partnerships. Expand trade with ASEAN, EU, and Africa to balance overall trade. 7. Currency trade. Explore rupee-yuan settlement to reduce dollar dependence. India cannot completely decouple from China, both economies are deeply linked. But by strengthening local industries and diversifying trade, India can gradually settle the trade deficit and become more self-reliant. So, what do you think? Should India reduce imports from China or increase exports to China? Tell us in the comments.